Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to get notifications from everyone on public posts in Facebook using your PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your web browser and go to facebook.com. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Now, click on Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the Settings menu, click on Settings to access your account settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy to manage your privacy settings. Step 6. Look for Public Posts and click on it to access the settings specifically for public posts. Step 7. Next to Public Post Notifications, you'll see a button. Click on it to enable notifications for public posts. Step 8. Finally, select Public from the options provided. This ensures you receive notifications from everyone on public posts. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled notifications for public posts on Facebook using your PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.